Feeling tired? Feeling overwhelmed? Feeling stressed? Let's spend 10 minutes together and let's knock it out of the park. Use this little Kriya to boost your energy and to help you feel revitalized so you can get right back to whatever it is you're doing with full energy and full attention. Ready? Let's do this. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and this is Kundalini Yoga for transformation, leadership, and impact. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. Sitting up tall and straight, shoulders are relaxed, chin is tucked in. Let's tune in with the Adi mantra, Om Namo, Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. I call in my highest consciousness. I am awake, alert, and aware. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo, Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Beautiful. Come to your seated position, relax your hands all the way down. Arrange yourself that your spine is very straight and that you're relaxed. You can even take a chair and sit in a chair for this particular practice. Bring both hands up to the level of about your diaphragm. Keep the right palm facing down and the left palm facing up. Here we'll do 4 short inhalations and then 4 short exhalations as we move the hands up and down. All right, so let's get started here. And then exhale. Inhale. One more minute, just like this. Inhale deeply, hold here. Excellent. Now for the next part, all we're going to do is flip the hands over. Right palm faces up, left palm faces down. And as if you were bouncing a ball, start to inhale in 4 sniffs and exhale in 4 sniffs, moving your hands at the same time. Last few seconds here. Good. Inhale very deeply. And exhale. Now, turn your palms back over to the original starting position. Right palm down, left palm up. And let's begin again. We're almost there. Adjusting the fluid of the spine, adjusting both hemispheres of the brain with this movement and this breath work. Beautiful. Take a deep inhale, hold steady. And exhale. Keep your hands exactly as they are, just right here. Release the breath and start to do long, deep breathing. And drop your eyes so that you're looking at the center of your chin. So your eyes are slightly downcast. This changes the mental focus, changes the focus of the area in your brain that's being activated right now. Long, slow, deep breath. Inhaling for a count of 4 and exhaling for a count of 4. Make sure to relax your shoulders. Keep everything in place, but make sure your shoulders are relaxed. There's no tension in the upper part of your body. Relax your jaw. Sit with grace and with ease. Feel the energy coming back to you, flowing right back to you through your hands. One palm facing downwards, controlling the elements of earth. One palm facing upwards, controlling the element of air. Last 30 seconds. We're at the finish line now, just a few more seconds of breath. Inhale very deeply, let's move on. Take a deep inhale. Squeeze your hands into fists and press your fists against the top of your chest. Squeeze, press, and hold. Keep holding the breath. And exhale. Keep your hands in fists. Inhale very deeply. Squeeze and press your hands against your navel center. Squeeze and hold. Good. Release. Last one. Inhale very deeply. And bring your hands over to the sides. Fists are parallel with your shoulders. Inhale, squeeze, hold the breath, squeeze. Tense your hands. Tense, tense, tense. Good. And release. Drop it. All right, Satnam, there you go. Go get him, tiger. This is all for you. Sat Nam, and see you next time.